Song that feels the most five sauce. Hey, I'm Calum Hood, and here are my 3 songs for Rush. Best song for heartbreak, Don't Forget You Love Me. Easy, coming with a bang, vulnerable, sad, depressing, but also quite upbeat. The best song for a road trip would be if I was in the car with my friends going somewhere. I want to hear Streetwise, maybe. It's one of the more funner songs on the album. Sets the vibe. Ooh, the song that feels the most five sauce. I guess Sunsetter is like more like our 5th album. What's it gonna be? Check out my album. It's called Order Chaos Order. Hope you love it.